So it's nice and light now. It hasn't got like 20 layers of metal all over it.
Are we sitting comfortably, children? I shall begin.
Yes. Easy as that. Welcome back everybody to part 8 of our Mark 1 Escort Restoration Roulette build. We've only got about 3 weeks left until the end of the build.
It's flying by.
Will it get done? It's getting there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Slowly. What are we going to do in this video?
Right, roll cage, fit the seats, and hopefully if we've got enough time to start marking it up.
Yeah, we've got to put everything together just to make sure it all still fits.
Yeah.
The roll cage is only bolt in, so should go in. Just straight in, hopefully. Have to modify it for the rear tubs, but that's about it. So I've got to do some paperwork. I'll let you carry on cutting out that little frame.
Yep, I shall get the grinder, mate.
Sound, right? See you in a bit.
Okay.
So that wasn't too bad, was it, fitting that?
No,
we had to make no modifications whatsoever.
Really?
So obviously our tubs are massive, so we had to cut the backs off to get that in. And then it's like a massive jigsaw puzzle, isn't it, of balancing stuff in position.
Yeah, not an easy one.
It's a right pain. And what do you reckon? I know it's bolting.
No, it's staying in, mate.
Yeah, I was going to say, we're going to take it out because the weird thing about this is, so the back goes in easy. The front leg, you have to like hook up in there and then drag the bottom of it across the floor, which is scratching the floor already.
Yeah.
And then you have to ratchet strap that to get the door bars in.
Yeah, and then if we've got to paint it, and if we're going to carpet it,
it's going to wreck it, isn't it? So I think this is going to go either body coloured or we're going to have loads of masking tape.
Yeah, I can mask it.
All around this, so. But yeah, jobs are good and that's done. So the next thing is, we've got these Super Duper seat runners. Well, they're not runners, mounts, I suppose. So we have to find a position for this. So this is going to be the hard thing. So that basically welds on there. We bore the hole in the middle. That slides through and then through the sill that side. This plate welds on and then the seat goes on top of that. There is movement in it and stuff, but this is going to be one to like...
Yeah, I'm going to follow you on this one because I haven't got a clue.
I reckon bolt it all up to the seat, bolt this onto the seat, the rods in, everything like that.
Put the seat in.
And then we'll just go from there. Yeah, as long as my head don't touch the roof, that's about the main thing, isn't it? So are we going to do rally car where it's like the passenger seats lower to the ground, or just do them same?
Just do them the same.
Yeah, yeah. Right, let's crack on with the seats.
Sound.
You follow me.
Follow you?
Yeah.
To me.
Any mices in the bottom? No. Oh, it's so nice. That's for side fat.
Oh, is it?
That is. It's for like, it's like back fat support, that is. It's like, yeah, if you've got bad kidneys. They're all right, aren't they? Oh, we've got to actually sit in it. Oh. Tell you what, I'm like that. Need to lose some weight, I think. Thank you very much. Right, which bracket goes where? Never ending bolt. Right then, so at least I didn't make it like something weird, like 7mm. You're just doing it with nothing. I suppose it depends how wide the tunnel is.
So you guess how wide your arse is.
Yeah, because you could have it outwards and then you get the bolts in easy. But then do you...
I don't know outwards.
I don't think you do. I think you have it that way around. You bolt it in and then you slide the seat in and then bolt the seat in. If we mount them brackets that are going to go on them bars in the middle hole of that one and the middle hole of that one, then we can go... We've got like one up and down and then we've got loads to forwards and backwards for like short asses and want to drive it. No offence.
No offence to short people.
Short people. My brother. Get him driving it.
There's no fitting instructions.
No. So is it worth welding that tack, 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 tack? And then we know where that is, we know where that is. We can sort of stick it in where it's going to be and then do a line down. Drop that, mate. I'm getting double jointed fingers to get this in. Yeah, you wouldn't want to do this in the car. It's going to be easier putting the side bits in first. Right.
I cheated.
Done.
I turned that round.
Did you? Cheeky. Right. I'll plug the welder in, Keith. So manly. So manly. Right. Ready? Eye pies? No, it's alright. We've not burnt big holes in our seat.
Oh, that was nice and warm.
Right, we're not on fire. Ah, fuck. There's a hot blob. Right, top bit. Ready? Okay, so we've mounted our mounts onto the bar, mounting
Hill
bar,
climbing mounting.
and we've marked on the seat where the bar comes out there, and that's, you know, where the back one comes out. So I think we're going to lift the seat in, get nice and comfortable, and then
Mark it.
start drilling some holes. Yeah. Right,
Sorted.
Go on then, Keith. Hopefully it'll fit.
Yeah, of course it will. Bit of a squeeze.
Right.
Get comfy, because you're going to be the passenger.
How much leg room do you want? I suppose we can move it.
No, you didn't hear me.
What?
You get comfortable because you're going to be the passenger.
Yeah, no, this is my car. I reckon that's got to come a bit more forwards.
That's better there.
Like that.
Yeah.
So if I'm on the other side, it's about right, maybe up a bit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
It will lift up a bit when we drill the holes and fitted the bars.
Yeah, sound right. Let's mark it there, and then we'll level it up, and then
Drill the holes.
job's a good one. Oh. Straight through the handbrake now. Down.
Ready, steady, go.
Yep. Let's put it on right.
Okay, shh, don't tell anybody. It's easier doing it this way anyway. Sweet.
Yeah, that's all right. It's only tacked in for now, so we'll weld it in properly, but I think that's about where we want it because I can see out the window and the gear stick's going to be like at full reach.
Yeah.
So if I'm strapped in like this, I don't want to be, I'll probably have to bring the steering wheel closer to me. But yeah, that's about right. I think we'll do the driver's one like identical height and same, so it looks nicer and stuff. So yeah, it's just the seat belts next. Where are the seat belts? Go and grab me about, what did he buy that kid? Was it?
The full harness, wasn't it?
Full harnesses. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a point. At the back, we got no harness. We got no harness bar on this cage.
No.
Let's have a look. How are we going to do that? So with these belts, I know for road use, just for normal driving, you're allowed the harness to come out of the seat and do a 45-degree drop, like as a maximum, no more than that.
Okay.
So obviously it's bad for your shoulders. So usually you go through your rear seatbelt anchors, you know. But competition use, you're only allowed a 20-degree as a maximum drop.
Right.
Now 20-degree takes us, there's no bar here, so we can't fix to that. So it takes us onto that, and that's flimsy, isn't it?
Yeah, so we cut that old bar off, didn't we? At the
Oh yeah, that angle iron. So we put the roll cage tube through that. So what we could do, have you got one of them seatbelt anchors, just the eyelet?
Yeah. There you go.
I wonder if we can put the mount onto the back of this thin sheet and then bring something off that bar to that mount to make it strong, and then basically just have that coming through there.
That against that panel.
Yeah.
And then make a
mount off that bar. Yeah, that'll do it, and then it'll just fix, and that's about 20 degrees off that seat.
Yeah.
Sound. Let's do that.
Do it.
Got my head stuck. Keithy, let's try these belts, mate.
Okay. How's it coming, boss?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Right, I'll thread this through and you clip it in. There's one. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Nice. And that's it for this episode. We managed to get our cage in, the seats and the harnesses. Feels pretty good in here, doesn't it?
Yes, I've got to put a bit more weight on though because my fat pats
I'm
don't touch.
like, I'm snug. I'm snug in this chair. It's yeah, obviously built for people like me. Didn't get time to mock up, unfortunately, on this one. We need to do that to make sure like the tunnel's wide enough for the gearbox.
Yeah.
Get the diff on and stuff like that. So next video, full build up, wings, bonnet, boot, doors, running gear, everything.
Yeah, you got 2 days.
2 days. You've got a week to paint it.
That long?
Yeah.
Tidy. Spoiling me this time.
So that's it from us. So from me, I'll say see you again, and from Keith,
See you in the next one.
bye bye.
Ta-da.
That's one. Handbrake. Shit to take out, innit, really?
Cut.
Donald, where's your trousers?
Right, what were we saying? Forgot.
I'm ready.
Primer.
Yeah, don't want it to scratch my nice paint.
Let me start again. Fucking. Okay, stop pulling him a sec.
Sorry.
Sorry, Dad.
The louder you scream, the faster we go. That was a weird one.